welcome back to another video.
Good morning. Today is December 17th, and guess whose birthday it is? It is Anthony's birthday today. It's a Wednesday, and he's pretty excited. It's an early release also today. And we are having pizza and hot wings today. It is gonna be his birthday food. So we're going to school right now, and these guys gonna go to school for half a day. After that, we're gonna be getting our food ready. So we're gonna have a small little party, small little birthday party for him. How old are you gonna be, Bubs?
11.
He's gonna be 11 years old. Liana's back there.
Hello.
Today is this week is a spirit week. I didn't know about it. So yesterday they had the Grinch Day. Today is Winter Wonderland, and I don't know what that means. So we didn't do nothing. So tomorrow is, what did I say tomorrow was? Do you guys remember what I said for tomorrow was?
Ugly sweater.
Oh, tomorrow is Ugly Sweater Day. Can't even say it right. So I don't know what they're gonna wear as an ugly sweater day.
Mom.
I might just have to create one. Huh? So, alright, well, I'm going to drop these guys off soon, and then we shall start our day. Look at that cake. It's cute.
Oh, this one's way too deep. That one's a short one.
Oh, that wasn't me. That was Wayne.
Oh my god, Mom.
What?
Look at that one right there.
Which one?
It's
The
melting.
wax is on the cake now.
No.
Oh, that's May, not me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bumpy. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Hello.
What is
Woo!